We are having donuts today, but not that kind of donuts. Good morning, welcome back to the Cargo Show. Today it's actually 8 a.m. and it's minus 14 degrees Celsius. I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit, but translation will be right here, the conversion. Today we're gonna go and seek for adventures. So let's go and see if the car will start. Like a charm, let's go pick up Dimitar. Hey man, good morning.
What's up, Anna? Good morning.
What do you bring? Blackberries?
Yeah.
Nice, it's a beautiful morning.
Yes.
Say hi to the vlog.
Good morning, Carghost. We're going upstate.
What do you bring? Blackberries?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
We're gonna eat healthy breakfast.
Oh, yeah, and coffee.
2018
Yeah.
resolution.
Thank God for the good state of New Jersey. That
Cheaper.
you don't have to. It's a little cheaper, and you don't have to pull your own gas. And the winter like this is good. It's against the law in New Jersey to actually pump your own gas. So they have attendants everywhere, and it's nice and convenient in the winter. Look at this, man. It's beautiful. You guys are in for a treat because we just stopped by at a little lookout spot right here on the Palisades Highway, and look at the Hudson River. Hudson River is frozen. Frozen. The river froze. It's so cold. Look at that. There we go. And now we're in the middle of Hudson River. I wonder if there is a way to go down there and maybe like walk on the ice. Look at that. The river is frozen. I can't feel my hands. I should probably put gloves on, but I'm scared I'm gonna drop the camera. So let's go back at the car and go inside the city of Piermont. See if we can find some nice icy roads or some snow roads and have some fun. We can easily turn this into a bird watching channel, since we're in Rockland Lake and the lake is frozen, but we have some birds. And where did they go? Mitko, is the lake frozen or not? Yeah?
Go for a walk.
On the lake? Nah, I'm not going. I'm not going for a walk in a frozen lake. Nope, not today.
Hey, what's up?
The birds are swimming. I guess it shouldn't be that cold for them, right? And we have a wild nature photographer right here, wildlifephotography.com, Dimitar from Albania. Toshko. I like the swans though. Look at the swans. Hold on, let me zoom you in. Swans are nice. They're like, oh, we're gonna swim here. It's alright. Yeah, I'm so cold that I'm freaking stuttering. Let's go and find some donuts, or I mean Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. You wanna go in the parking lot? Find some Dunkin' Donuts? donut making. You do your donuts and you get the out before they catch you. Car is filthy, but at least we're on a nice scenic stop and we have views on views. And we have Mitko. Mitko, say hi. Alright, we had so much fun today, hooning around Rockland County, Piermont, and Bear Mountain. It was a tremendous amount of fun, but just like this video is over, and I'm out. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more content to come. Bye bye.